Hello everyone and happy holidays. This is Danny from Original Mouseketeer. And it's going to be a few weeks before we do our welcome home trip to Walt Disney World. So I thought in the meantime that we would post on here an open house tour. We love to decorate at Christmas just like the Disney resorts do. And so we try and make things as festive as possible. So I'd like to invite you in to share in some of that. So let's head toward the front door and we'll see what's inside. I'm going to start here with the living room. We just came in the front door. This is on the other side of the front door. It's this old world Santa stocking that my sister-in-law gave me, and I just love it. It just has such a unique look to it, and it's very elegant and yet at the same time kind of heartwarming. So we'll start with that, and then I suppose we'll just move around the room and begin, of course, with the Christmas tree. This is our living room Christmas tree. We refer to it as the designer tree. My wife Bonnie was the one who kind of picked out the theme for this tree. We've had this same style for several years, and she said that she wanted to do the tree in shades of coppers and golds. So that is exactly what we did. It is also accented with poinsettias and these glittery butterflies, and it's rather sparkly, and the tree is flocked, which is a real nice touch for it. And I just love the tree topper. It's kind of unusual and different, not your typical star or angel or fancy bow at the top of the tree. It's just really kind of fun and festive, and I think goes with the style of the Christmas tree. Also, as we're going around the room, you can see that there are quite a few Santa Clauses in the room. We enjoy collecting them, and we have quite an assortment of Santas. In fact, I will post a separate vlog altogether that is just about some of the Santas we have in our collection. We even have those tumblers at the top. I just love those. My wife and my sister found those one day. We've had them for probably 20 years, and I just love them. They're so much fun. And of course, we also have a lot of throw pillows around here. My wife loves throw pillows, and she especially enjoys getting ones that are specific to the season. She just got this year this one that is the Advent calendar throw pillow that is in the center of the sofa, and she also found this Advent calendar runner that she put on the coffee table. As you can see from looking at them, today is December 5th, so happy Eve of St. Nicholas Day. I was raised Catholic, and so we celebrated St. Nicholas in our home every year. In fact, on the night of the 5th, we would all hang up one of my dad's work socks, which were kind of big, and we would hang them at the foot of our bed. And the next morning when we would get up, there would be some treats inside, usually a very inexpensive little toy like a jigsaw puzzle or a card game like Old Maid or Crazy Eights. Gosh, am I really dating myself with that? And there would be some hard candy, and so it was always a fun thing to do in the countdown to Christmas. And we've carried on that tradition. My son grew up having a visit from Saint Nick on when he woke up on the morning of December 6th, and we carry on that tradition also and give Saint Nick gifts to my grandson Drew, and also still give them to Doug and his wife Tiffany. So anyway, that's that part of the room. Again, I'm just going to turn around kind of slowly and show you how we display a lot of the Santa collection. That is most of them. However, there are a few others around in other rooms of the house. And also here is the entryway with the poinsettia plant in front of the mirror. I absolutely love poinsettias at Christmas. One of my real envies at Disney World and with people that live in Central and South Florida is that they actually get to plant poinsettias in the ground like bedding plants. Oh, I would just love to do that. I just think there's such a warm and inviting and festive plant. So I try and put poinsettias, real ones, around the house as much as I possibly can. So anyway, that is going to do it for this short little tour of the living room. So anyway, this is Danny from Original Mouseketeer signing off and wishing you the best of the holiday season. And if you're new to this channel, I would certainly appreciate your subscribing to it. And if you enjoyed this little tour, I would also appreciate your giving it a very kind and generous thumbs up. And in the meantime, no matter what the season, remember to keep on believing those dreams that you wish will come true. Happy holidays.